I don't think people understand how their smartphone knows exactly where they are. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Every time you check your location, your phone is having a silent conversation with satellites orbiting thousands of miles above Earth. It's more than a phone. It's a camera, a library, a music player, and a window to endless information. With just a tap, you can capture memories, read entire novels, or listen to your favorite songs. And most magically, it's a device that knows exactly where you are at any moment, guiding you through unfamiliar streets or helping you find your way home. This isn't magic, it's science, a blend of physics, engineering, and cosmic precision, all working together seamlessly behind the scenes to make the impossible feel effortless. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, is humanity's own constellation, connecting you to space. It's a network of satellites orbiting high above, forming an invisible web that links your phone to the cosmos. Every time you use a map, you're having a conversation with satellites orbiting far above, exchanging signals that pinpoint your location with astonishing accuracy. Before GPS, navigation meant trusting the stars or a compass. Now, the heavens answer back, guiding you with technology that's both ancient in inspiration and cutting-edge in execution. So, how does your phone know your location? The answer starts with a fleet of satellites circling Earth, each one sending signals that your phone deciphers in real time. These satellites are the first link in a chain that guides you home, making your smartphone not just a tool, but a true companion on your journey through the world. Stay with us to uncover the hidden magic behind GPS technology and see how it all comes together to make your life easier. Picture a ballet of over 30 satellites orbiting Earth, each one gliding through space in a carefully choreographed dance. These satellites form a global network, circling high above us, invisible to the naked eye but essential to our daily lives. Each satellite follows a precise path, never straying from its route. Their job, to act as cosmic beacons, constantly sending out signals that help us find our way. These signals carry two crucial pieces of information: the satellite's unique identity and the exact time, measured by atomic clocks so accurate they'd lose just a second in 300,000 years. This incredible precision is what makes GPS possible. No matter where you are, on a mountain, in a city, or out at sea, your phone can see at least 4 satellites at once, often many more. When your phone receives a signal, it calculates how long it took to arrive, using the speed of light to measure distance. This process happens in the blink of an eye, millions of times a day. It's a bit like counting the seconds between lightning and thunder to figure out how far away a storm is, but with cosmic precision and technology that never sleeps. Your phone listens to several satellites at once, each providing a distance clue. The more satellites it hears, the more accurate your location becomes. By combining these clues, your device can pinpoint your location anywhere on Earth, whether you're exploring a new city or hiking a remote trail. It's a simple principle, scaled up to cosmic proportions, turning the entire planet into a navigable map. This is how your phone turns invisible signals from space into a map of your world, guiding you wherever you need to go, every single day. Imagine you're floating somewhere on Earth and you know your distance from just one satellite. That information alone means you could be anywhere on the surface of a giant invisible sphere, with the satellite at its center. It's a start, but not enough to pinpoint your location. Now, add a second satellite into the mix. Suddenly, you're not just anywhere on a sphere, you're somewhere along the circle where those two spheres overlap. The possibilities are narrowing, but you're still not quite there. Bring in a third satellite, and things get even more precise. The intersection of 3 spheres leaves you with just 2 possible points. One is usually far out in space or deep underground, leaving the other as your true location on Earth. But why do we need a 4th satellite? The answer lies in timing. Your phone's clock, while good, isn't nearly as accurate as the atomic clocks on satellites orbiting above us. The 4th satellite acts as a cosmic referee, helping your phone correct its timing errors. This extra data transforms a rough estimate into a pinpoint accurate location, down to just a few meters. This entire process is called trilateration. It's the clever math and science that powers every blue dot you see on your map app, working silently in the background. With each satellite, your phone is solving a cosmic puzzle, piecing together signals from space to figure out exactly where you are. The result? In just seconds, your exact spot on Earth is revealed, whether you're in a city, on a mountain, or lost in the wilderness. That's the magic behind your GPS, a universe-spanning treasure hunt, happening every time you check your location. GPS has revolutionized our lives, quietly guiding us every day. It's not just for directions. GPS powers global shipping, tracks packages, and keeps the world's economy moving. Emergency services rely on it to save lives, finding the fastest route in a crisis. Scientists use GPS to study earthquakes and animal migrations. Athletes track their runs, hikers find their way, and we geotag memories with a tap. Even games and fitness apps use GPS to blend the digital and real worlds. It's the invisible backbone of modern life. GPS has given us a new sense of place and possibility. GPS works because it accounts for Einstein's relativity. Satellites' clocks tick differently due to speed and gravity. Without correcting for this, GPS would be off by kilometers and hours. The system is run by the US Space Force but is free for the world to use. Other countries have their own systems: GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and your phone listens to them all. This global collaboration makes your location faster and more reliable, even in city canyons. GPS is a daily proof of human ingenuity and our drive to know where we stand. Next time you check your location, remember, you're tapping into a cosmic network. The universe is helping you find your way.